All right, today, look at this. We're actually charging one of our laptops right now, but this is actually a very powerful external battery so you could carry with you. Now, it's a little thick, a little heavyweight because it has extra batteries so you could charge multiple devices. Not only that, it serves as a backup for your laptop too. Now, let me show you what it has in here, right? So there's a couple of USBs that you should be aware. The first one right here on the right-hand corner is 18 watts. This is an out. It's going out. Remember that, out. Now on this one right here, it's also going out and it's 45 watts. Now on this one, in and out, but this is the charging area, all right? 100 watts, all right? 100 in and out. So if I put it in there, it's going to charge even faster on that one. My computer could take up to 130, so it's fine. So right now we're at 82%. Another thing that it tells you right off the front, it tells you how much charge you have. There's a power button here. That's pretty much it. 3 USBs and one power. So right now, plugging it in, and we're gonna test it out if we're really getting what we're supposed to be getting right now. So it's supposed to go 100. So we're gonna intercept the connection here, and I do have a reader here. Plug it in here before it goes in there and plug this in here. And then we're going to see the readout on this one. I'm going to zoom in so as much as you can. Right now, the intake, we're getting about 19.4 watts, all right? So that's 20 watts. It's more than normal, so it's jamming, it's charging our laptop. That's what you want it for. Now let's get our phone and see how much it charges, if it really just does a supercharge too. All right, now we're gonna use a phone, or I have a phone, it's a Droid application here. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in directly. I'm gonna disconnect it from here and plug it in and see how much we're charging from here. And right now we are at 9. All right, so it's 8.5, I think right now, 8.9 actually. So it's about 9. That's how much we're getting. And I'm sorry, I'm trying to see if I could let me zoom in a little bit more. So right there, we're 9.1 voltage, right? So it's going to be a supercharge on this one. When you connect something and it turns blue, it means it's a fast charge, right? If it's green, it's a normal five volts, right? Just to let you know how Droid does it. So we're going to plug this one back in here. So this battery, it's at 81%. It's been plugged already for like 20, 30 minutes already. We started at 85 right now. I didn't have it fully charged, but this thing lasts for a long time. So I went to CES this year and I actually took this battery with me. I was charging every module I had. And of course, I had 3 cameras with me, a couple of my cell phone included. So everything was coming on here. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.